In this video, I want to show you how you can handle production orders using Agility Mobile on the handheld device. I'm going to take you through how to issue components to a production order, how to receive the finished goods of the production order, and then also returning components back to inventory. So we'll go into production here and look at our production order. And we've got one already entered. Our order is 175, and it's for 100. This first item here was the motherboard. So we're going to really focus on here. It is going to be in warehouse 05, and it's a manual issue method. I'm going to leave this up here for now and go over to our handheld device. So we're going to go to production issue. And so with production issue up, we can scan our production order. We'll scan the item we want to issue to the order. And we're going to scan our bin that we want to issue from. And we're just going to go ahead and issue all 100. Okay. Now we have a label printing here, so just want to show you what it looked like by printing it to screen. But typically that would print right to the label printer at runtime. So go back to Business One, and I'm just going to refresh this here and show the real-time nature of the transactions. We issued 100, so it's showing that we've issued the 100 right away on the production order. So if I go back to the handheld now, and I'm going to go ahead and receive the finished good. So again, I'm going to scan the 175, and so we have our 05-prod bin. I'll show you where that comes from. I'm just going to close this real quick and go to options. And our options screen, we can define the production bin as, and I define it as 05-prod. So this is a bin that's already set up and defined as a receiving bin in Business One and with no restrictions. So if we go back to that production receipt and scan that 175, and so remaining is 100, complete is 0, and I'm going to pretend here that I've only got 95. We're only going to complete 95 on this order. Okay, and again we've got our label printing to screen so we can see what that label might look like. And there's also another video you can watch on document management that shows how we can create and how we store them. Okay, so let's go back to Business One and refresh. You'll see now it's backflushed. Since these items are all backflushed, it backflushed those 95 for the production order. All right, so lastly, let's do a return. So since we only did 95, maybe we would return 5 back to its bin. So we'll scan our production order 175, again scan our component, and we're going to put that right back in the bin from which we got it. And it says here that we've issued 100, and we want to put back 5. And again, there's another label. If that's important to print a label when you put it away, shows when it was received back into inventory. And lastly, we'll refresh it here, and we see 95 is now been, that's the total been issued is 95, and we're all reconciled. All right, and that's it. Thanks for watching.